Namaskar. We've already explored Digdha Digdig bowls in the previous Natwari Tukra. The other two bowls that are paramount, important and are of great value are syllables that come for tram and kran. These are all movements that inspire a jump. Normally, we have a pushpak attached to the jump. Here is another example of kran. Kran is a very peculiar sounding word because it's when 2-3 syllables and come together and make that sound, it's very difficult to get the real organic accent, to try and get that kran into your syllable vocabulary. Krantha, krantha, tramta, tram. These are various things that you can help when you do the padhans. Let's say tram thei. Tram thei, tat tat tram thei, tat tram thei, digdha dig thei, ta thei, digdha dig thei, ta thei, digdha dig thei, ta thei, ta thei. So what's happening here? You have the trams here, two, and then there's one that you go forward with. As you add the tihai, the syllable adds from thei, single, double, and triple. That's the only difference. Let's try this with the music. Focus on the footwork first and then the torso and above. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!